Have you ever considered how many times a day you're clicking multiple times to navigate Medisoft? Think about it. How many times are you going up to that activities menu and scrolling down just to get to the next area? In today's tip of the week, we're going to talk about how you can customize your toolbar so that everything that you use most is one click away.
I'm going to show you how to create a custom menu bar in Medisoft. A lot of times it's really convenient, nice and easy for you to be able to access whatever different types of programs or websites that you use in the busyness of your day without ever having to leave Medisoft. So we can create a custom menu item in Medisoft, add whatever different types of programs or websites or whatever it is we want to add to that group so that you can just access those directly from Medisoft without having to leave and get into another program. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to go to the Tools menu, and we'll go down to Custom Menu Items. You're going to see that we have two different columns here. The left-hand column, Menu, I need to add one there, and so whatever I add here is what's going to show as a menu item here next to your Help. Okay, so in this case, for this video, I'm going to call it my favorites. So I'm going to type in favorites there. I'm going to hit save. And then here in just a minute, when I click on save again, you'll see that favorites is added right up here at the top of my screen as a new menu item. Now, after we've added favorites, I'm gonna tell it what we want to see underneath favorites when we click on the favorites menu. So let's do this. Let's say that I'm always going into my clearinghouse website, my Connect Center website. So I'm going to add that as a favorite here in Medisoft. So I'm going to click Add. And I'm going to say Connect Center. And in this case, I'm going to browse to, I use Chrome on my computer. You might use Internet Explorer. You might use Firefox, whatever it is. Just browse to the executable of that. In this case, it's the C program files, Google Chrome application. Then you'll see your chrome.exe there. And then we're going to go all the way to the end. We're going to put a space. And then we're going to type in the website that we want to go to. In this case, I'm going to copy and paste it from another screen here, but I'm going to put space, and in my website is just https://connectcenter.changehealthcare.com, and hit save. You'll see that we added it there, which is great. Next thing I'm going to do is, let's say that I want to add, I don't know, let's say Excel. So I'm going to hit add here. Let's name it Excel. I could just click on the browse button again. In this case, I'm just going to copy and paste the location. So C program files, Microsoft Office root, Office 16, and then Excel.exe is where that is located on your computer. I'm going to hit OK. Now I've added Connect Center and Excel to my favorites list. So when I hit save here, you're going to see that it adds a favorites menu bar here. So let's hit save. You'll see that it added it here to your Medisoft program. Now, if I click on this, you're going to see that we've got our Connect Center and our Excel. So that's really it. So now I can just click on Excel, and you'll see that it'll launch Excel right here for me. Or I can click on favorites. I can go to Connect Center, and on my other monitor, let me click and drag it over here. It just opened up Chrome and took me to the Connect Center website for my clearinghouse, and I'm already in it. So you can add different things like your calculator, or you could add your bill flash, or whatever websites or programs you're commonly using. Just go ahead and get them set up as a favorites menu, and you can always add that into your, always quickly and easily access it directly from Medisoft. Another thing you can do after you've added the favorites menu here is you can, rather than having to click on favorites, you can add them as little shortcut items here to your shortcut bar. To do that, you'll just click on the little down arrow here, click add or remove buttons, and go to customize. When you go to commands, you can browse over to your, like, let's see here, it's called the user items list. And you'll see you have Connect Center and Excel. These are the favorites bar that I just created in this video. And you can just quickly and easily just click and drag up to your bar here if you wanted to, and you can add more items there. And that way, when I hit close here, you can still access them from favorites, or you can just simply access them just by clicking on them here from Medisoft as a shortcut item as well. So Hope this helps. Hope you got some value out of this quick video and this Medisoft tip of the week. And we thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.